Right, Brooklyn said, do you have to pay monthly for this doorbell camera? So first of all, these are on sale right now for only $15. I got it for 35. You can get it for 15. Okay, so the answer is technically no, but yes. If you don't want to pay, you will get this live feed version, which you will be able to see the camera anytime from anywhere, as long as it's connected to Wi-Fi. So this is the live feed right here. Let me even show you. See, that's me right there. But it's only $30 for a whole year, and if you pay that, you will get all the movements around your house saved and sent to your phone like this. So everything is saved. Also, the battery life on this is great. I charged this about like 10 days ago and it's only at 75. So a full charge of battery can last up to 40 days. There are only 365 of these left, and if you don't want to miss out on the sale, then I suggest you go buy it before the sale runs out.